YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome you all to your new episode on my humble and noble platform. Here, let's talk about how to make money online, how to start your dollar arbitrage, and how to start your own online company. Yeah, so no time to waste. Yeah, today I want to show you a free way of what mining USDT. Yeah, a free way of mining USDT. So we'll be talking a lot about this platform. Yeah, so we're using Neptune Network. I hope I've already doing some videos about Neptune Network and people have been cashing out from it. So previously, 2023, the app was only available on Android phones. So the iOS, that's the iPhone users. I have a good news for you all because right now, from next month, you'll be able to download the app on your iPhone. If you're using iOS, you can download the Neptune Network because, like previously, it was only available for only the Android users. But right now, if you are iPhone user, from next month going, you can also download the app. Yeah, you can also download the app. Yeah, so this is the app. And before I will start talking much about this one, do you see that if you open the accounts, the old users, you see that when you mine it, you'll be getting some, we call something NT token that is this thing. And people have been saying that. So what is the use of this thing? So this NT token this year, and that's 2024 this year, maybe from next month to next 2 to 3 months going, if you have the NT token, the $1 will be value or will be equivalent to $1 or $2. So if you have $1 NT, it's equivalent to what? $1. Yeah. So owning NT token is equivalent to having votes because like if you have more NT token, don't delete the app. Just save it because sometime to come you have votes, like you have money. You have money. It's money that you're saying like that's money. So you just keep it, and some time to come this year, you see that the NT network or the NT token you have is what? It's money. Yeah, it's money. So before I will go to the DEFA trade, let me show you how you can deposit money in the account. You see that we have we have USDT, we have trunks, you have USDC. You see that thing. And this one, the NT, that one you earn it on the platform. You earn it on the platform. But here and here, you have to deposit it or you have to mine it. Yeah, you have to mine it. So if you want to deposit it, you just click on it, the USDT, you go to receive and you copy your TRC address and you go to, let's say, Xnet or Binance and deposit money inside. So if you want to mine USDT, this is how you mine it. You go to your, have you seen this? Your DEFA. Let me, your DEFA. This is your DEFA. Yeah. Then you click on it and you click on USDT. So we have two types. We have USDT and what, and the NT. So and the trunks. So if it's trunks, I can say that I want to do trunks. Let's say so I can say the 2.0, 2.0. Then I'll click on start. So you see, so the minimum of trunks that you have to what start it with is 100, but I have to, so I can't start with it. So that's how you have to deposit money and start your mining. Yeah, and start your mining. So you just deposit money in your trust account, and you come to the DEFA and you start mining. So the money you invested, you get multiple from it. Yeah, and the NT network too. Very soon you'll be able to what, cash out. Like you'll be able to exchange it. Let's say NT to what, to USDT. You see that thing? Yeah. Right now, one NT is equal to 0.25. 0.25. So let's say if we have 1,000, is 250.77. So you can do your exchange from next month going. Right now you can't do it. From next month going, you can do your exchange and you'll be getting money from it. Is that thing? So so they say that last trade is still running. So when it's done, I can exchange it. Because right now I have balance of what, $196. So you can exchange it and get money from it. Is that thing? Yeah. So that's how this platform is. So if you have the NT token, don't delete it. Very soon you go to your exchange, you can be able to what, to exchange the money. It's Latin, can be able to exchange the money and get what, USDT, and withdraw it. It's Latin. So right now I've issued one. So unless the one landed in my account, then I'll continue. So that's how it is. Yeah, that's how it is. So from next month to next 2 months going, those who are using iOS, you'll be able to download the app in your account. So I'll leave the link of this platform in the description. And if you download the app, first of all, you have to come to mine and you go to invite friends, and you have to bind it with my code first. You have to bind it with my code first. After that, then you bind it with your own code. Is that it? Yeah. Right now, like after that, if you want to withdraw, then you bind it your Google Authenticator and you withdraw your money. It's simple. It's simple. I've been doing a lot of videos about this thing. That's why I'm not stressing much on this. Because like I've done a lot of videos about it, and it's very cool to use. Yeah, it's very cool to use. So if you want to join, then you click on the link in the description and you join. Thank you for watching me, and I'm out.